قوتابخانەی کۆشش حکومی ئینگلیزی زۆر بە خۆشحاڵیەوە ئەوڕۆ هەساین بەکردنەوەی پێشانگایەکی ئەکادیمی زانستی تایبەت بە قوتابیانی قوتابخانەکەمان. لێرە زۆربەی کاری دەستی قوتابیەکان ئەوە بوو کە خۆیان لە ماڵەوە ئامادەیان کردبوو بە هاوکاری مامۆستایان یاخود بە هاوکاری دایک و باوکیان. ڕاستە لەوانەیە هەندێک لە بیرۆکەکان بچکۆلانە بن، بەڵام دایمەن لە کۆشش هەمیشە هەوڵی ئەوە دەدرێت کە ئەو بیرۆکە بچکۆلانی قوتابیەکان پەڕەی زیاتری پێ بدرێت تاوەکو بتوانن لە داهاتوو بە خەونەکانیان بگەین، چونکە لێرە بەهۆی ئەو پێشانگایەوە بۆمان دەرکەوت کە بەشێک قوتابیەکان خەونی گەورەیان هەیە، حەز دەکەن شت دروستکەن بەدەستی خۆیان، بیرۆکەی جیاوازیان هەیە، حەز لە داهێنان دەکەن. هیوادارم بتوانین ئێمەش پەرە بە توانەکانیان بدەین و ئینشاڵڵا داهاتوێکی گەشتیان دەبێت لە کۆشش.
لە فیستیڤاڵی زانستی ئەکادیمی قوتابخانەی کۆشش. ئەوەیان هی ئێلکترۆنیک پرۆجێکتن لێرانە خۆی ڕەبتی کردیە پێشتر ئەمەدا لەگەڵ دەسوڕێتەوە. ئەوەشیان بەزەرە ئەگەر بتۆڕی هەر لایتەکانی پێدەبیتن. ئەوەشیان وەتەر لیڤڵە دەکێناوێت لیڤڵی ئاوەکانمان پێپشان دەداتن. ئەوەشیان ئەو دوگمەدا دەگری خۆی دەسوڕێتەوە و دەنگی.
Today we will talk about kind of animal. There are 6 kind of animal. We will say that I make a farm for my insect, reptile, amphibian, fish, bird, insect.
Hi, my name is Levin. This is volcano. Here it's called magma chamber. And here is called vent, like the magma is going here. And this is called a layer of lava and ash, here. And this circle is called crater. The lava will come out in the crater and it's called lava flow.
Hi, my name is Anya Muhammad and I am from grade 4B, and today I'm talking about volcano. Volcano is an opening of Earth's surface, and it's melted rocks, and every day lava will flow down and it will stack up every rock, and it's hot and you can't see it because it's up in the mountains.
Hello, my name is Junior. In grade 1A, this is air, this is eye, this is nose, this is hand, this is tongue.
Hi, my name is Bari Sirwan, grade 4B. First, this is water cycle. First, the sun will heat up the water, then it will evaporate, and then it will be condensation, precipitation, it will be rain.
سلااو هاوڕێیان، ئەمڕۆکە لە فیستیڤاڵی کۆششین ئەمن ئەو پرۆجەکتەم دروست کردووە. ئەمەیان واتەر لیڤڵە. کاتێک کە دەیکەی ناو ئاوەکە ئەوەکەی دەکات لیڤڵەکەی پیشان دەدات چەند لیڤڵە واتەرەکە.
منداڵم دایانە بەشدارم لە فیستیڤاڵی ساڵانی قوتابخانەی کۆشش ئەو پاتریۆم دروست کردیە کاتێک پێی دەکەی و تێلە پاتریەکە لێرە موکناتیزەکە لێرەش تێلەکە کاتێک پێی دەکەی تێلەکە دەسوڕێتەوە.
And today we have songs, so I'm gonna tell you how long to do. First, they are not with airs, but if you pump it, look, it's not with air, but if you pump, it's with airs.
My name is Serlan, grade 1C. Water is the liquid state that living things makes life on air.
My name is Rohan. I'm going to talk about day and night. We have a search planet that's Earth. So Earth has a part, and in a world we have a world. And in a country it might be like night. In another country it's like light. When it's like spinning around, the country that was night it will be morning, and the country that was morning it will be like night. That's how day and night happen.
Hi, my name is Siva. I'm from 5B, and today I'm going to talk about plant cell and what is the difference between animal cell and plant cell. Animal cell has cell wall, but plant cell doesn't.
Hello, my name is Varin Maruf, and this is day and night. When the airs rotate around the sun, day and night will form. This is the sun, and this is Earth, and this is the moon.
Solar system. So in the moon phases, we're going to start from the new moon until the full moon. So usually the moon doesn't have any light. It takes the light from the sun, and it takes 29.5 days to do its resolution.
Solar system is formed by planets and their moons, the central star, the sun. We have 9 planets. We have 8 planets, 4 gassy planets and 4 land planets. We have the central star, we have the asteroids and more.
My name is Mir Mahmoud. I am in the 1B. I love my Koshish school because my teacher is good. Iron, water.
Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Today I would like to explain and share my information about atoms, energy, and nuclear energy. So let's get started. First, what are atomic energy? Atomic energy is a source of a nuclear power which is sustained by nuclear fission
to regenerate heat and electricity. It's also a form of an explosive force and an atomic bomb.
This is a solar system. A solar system is a group of planets which orbit around a star. Our solar system has 8 planets and 4 dwarf planets. The planets are Mercury, Venus, Mars, Earth, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune.
My name is Samir Mahmoud. My age is 2 times 3 equals 6 plus 3 it equals 9. The number of people in my family 16 divided by 4 equals 4. The number of letters in my name 25 times 4 equals 100 minus 97 equals 3.
Hi, my name is Manar. My project talks about me. My age 6 plus 5 equals to 11. My shoe size 14 minus 5 equals to 35. My birthday month 12 divided by 6 equals to 2. My height in needs 100 plus 37 equals to 137.
Hello everybody, this is Lawa speaking. Today we're going to be talking about the solar system. The solar system consists of 8 planets, one of them being Mercury, the closest planet to the sun, and Venus, the hottest planet.
This is my project. It's a fact about me. For example, my age 3 times 3 equals to 9. When I was born, 61 times 33 equals to 2013.
About me, for example, like my age, 100 divided by 10 equals to 10. The people in my classroom number 7 multiplied 4 equals to 28. My birth month is 2 multiplied equals 4. Buzzwire is a challenging and competitive game. The object of the game is to carefully move the loop around the copper wire without touching it. If the loop touches the wire, you will see a red light. So it's a mathematical game that needs good concentration and physical control. The purpose of the game is to make a fun atmosphere and creating fun competition between the students.
Hello guys, my name is Asuda. Today we had a festival. Today we are talking about Tower of Hanoi. Tower of Hanoi or Tower of Brahma, or you can say simply pyramid puzzle, is a mathematical game or puzzle that consisting of 3 rows and number of the discs, various diameters, which can slide into any rod. The objective of the puzzle is to move the entire stack to the last rod, obeying the following rules. First rule is only 1 disc may be moved at a time. Second rule is each move consists of taking the upper disc.
My name is Rona. Today at this Koshish Science Fair Festival, I would like to talk about DNA for you guys. The definition of DNA is deoxyribonucleic acid. Abbreviated DNA is a molecule that carries genetic information for the development and functioning of an organism. DNA is made up of 2 linked strands that wind up each other to resemble a twisted ladder, a shape known as double helix. Who was the first person who discovered DNA? Many people believe that American biologist James Watson and English physicist Francis Crick discovered DNA in the 1950s. In reality, this is not the case.
This is our sun, Mercury, Venus, Earth,
Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune, Pluto, and Moon. The planet in order of their.
Hello, my name is Dayik, and today I'll be talking about abacus. It's a counting frame. It was used in ancient year in East Europe, China, and Russia. It was used for solving math problems like addition, subtraction, multiply, and division. The primary abacus program is to improve your brain power.
Rubik's Cube is a 3D puzzle that contains 6 sides, and on each 6 sides there is 9 stickers. I can solve it in under a minute if you want me to.
Puzzle is a game or a problem while you're trying to solve a solution of mixture of pieces. While you're solving this, the expector is supposed to put the pieces together or find a way how to take them apart and find the pieces that match the colors. It's really important because this helps your knowledge and your creativity. And while you're solving it, it's important to do it in a logical way.
I'm from grade 6. So today we are having a science fair. We did all these experiments one by one. First we have the floating egg in salt water. As you can see, in salt water the egg will float, but in normal fresh water the egg will not float. That's because of as the salinity of the water increases, the density of the water also increases. Next, we have playing with starch. This is actually called oobleck. Oobleck was first found and demonstrated by Isaac Newton in the year 1700. They got the name from a book by Dr. Seuss. Oobleck is a type of thing that could be a solid and a liquid. It's depending on how much pressure you apply on it. We know that if you add vinegar with baking soda, it's going to have an eruption because of all the air and all the things inside of it. That's a chemical reaction. Next, we have transformation of NaOH and HCl. If you mix NaOH and HCl, they're gonna make NaCl. Next we have how does oxygen help flame? If we put a candle and we put a glass on it and the candle's on water, the candle is gonna turn off because it needs oxygen to go to keep burning. But when there's no oxygen left, it's gonna turn off. Now we have making colors in milk. We have milk. Milk has fat in it, obviously. And we added food coloring. Even if you add dish soap, the milk and the dish soap are going to try to combine. But when they cannot, this reaction is going to happen. As you can see, this reaction will happen. Next, we have invisible flame. We added sanitizer to water. And after you put when you put fire on it and you put a piece of paper, it's gonna burn. Because of, you cannot see it because it's sanitizer. And then now as you can see, we're gonna use yellow highlighter on the paper. And then after with lemon, we're gonna try to erase it. Why? Because lemon has an acid and yellow highlighters has carbonite. And after they combine, yellow highlighter is very, very sensitive. So when they combine with acid, it's gonna try to get away. Thank you for everything. Bye.